11,500 miles. Look at all the lights that are on. My foot is on the brake. Car won't go into gear and the dealer wants you to wait forever for them to fix it. What do? You pop this little cover using a little screwdriver or something out of this hole. Stick a screwdriver, pen, anything that'll fit in there. And now the car goes into gear. You just have to give a little pressure in there, that's all. So you just insert a screwdriver in there and the car goes into gear. Now if you put it back into park while you're driving, for whatever reason, it won't go into gear again. You have to do it all over again. Apparently there's some kind of solenoid in there that goes bad. Some people on the internet will say it's the brake light switch. My brake light switch works, otherwise my brake lights wouldn't be coming on when I press them. And that is how you get your car into gear. I hope this helped. Please hit like, click subscribe, because YouTube has been sucking lately. You can't get monetized unless you have 1,000 subscribers. Now it's time for me to get on the motorcycle and go up to Maine. See ya.